Hi there, students. Macho. Okay, macho is an adjective. You could use it as a noun. In English, it's not so common as a noun. Okay, macho describes somebody who is proud of showing themselves to be the typical male stereotype. Yeah, so they are strong and they don't show emotions and they can resist pain. Okay, so macho. This is the idea of macho is they have a huge sexual appetite. They show no emotion. They try to show what is traditionally thought to be the typical man. Yeah, he was far too macho to admit that he was in pain. Yeah, he's a big macho tough guy. Yeah, okay, so from this we also have machismo. Yeah, I think machismo is the noun. It means exaggerated masculinity. So, for example, if you see teenage kids, they're always fighting. They're playing macho games to see who's stronger, who can hurt the other one more, who is tougher, yeah, who can do the craziest things, yeah. So he is always trying to show quite how macho he is, how brave, how strong. Yeah, he's very proud of his masculinity. Yeah, showing masculine bravado, macho bravado. Yeah, he's terribly manly. He's terribly butch. Yeah, and this is the idea of macho. Yeah, so yeah, he's somebody who's displaying physical strength. Look at me, I'm so macho. I think macho also being sexist. Yeah, as well, I think is part of it. So I think being macho nowadays is not very politically correct. Yeah, I think if somebody is trying to be macho, they are overly assertive. They're just too assertive. They're bossing people around. They want to show how virile they are. They're domineering. They're in charge, and you need to do this. So yeah, they browbeat people into doing what they say. So I think being macho is not really a very nice characteristic. Yeah. Okay, so you're being extremely assertive and having a sense of power and the right to dominate and order everybody around. Yeah, so yeah, they're suffering from machismo. Yeah, it's well, that's the idea. Okay, so he's always very into macho things like hunting and boxing and things like that. Yeah, or maybe they go drinking, and the one who is the most macho is the one who can drink the most. Okay, formality. I think I'm going to give macho a 5 in formality. I think machismo maybe a 6. And then as to origin, this comes from the Spanish word macho, meaning male, macho or hembra, which itself comes from Latin masculus, meaning male or masculine. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Macho.